Okay. Okay, let me recapture the things whatever we have discussed in the previous session. Can you tell me what is the difference between initial and always block?
And both are procedural blocks, ma'am.
Okay.
This always is exercisable and initially is not exercisable.
Okay.
Ma'am, initial block and procedural, always blocks, both are procedural assignments. Initial block executes only at the beginning of simulation, and always block is continuous loop, and unless we terminate, it won't stop. And initial block is non-synthesizable, and we can only use this in test benches, not in design.
Okay.
Always block is synthesizable, and it is used in designs and test benches also.
Okay. Good.
Ma'am,
So,
initial is only used in test bench.
mm,
Always it can use it in both design and the test bench.
okay, good. So initial block will start at a 0 simulation time. Okay, whatever the delay is there, accordingly the delay statements will be executed. But all the initial statements will be started at a 0 simulation time. Okay, and what is the difference between begin end and fork join?
What, ma'am?
What is the difference between begin end and fork join?
And mainly begin and we will write whenever we have more than one statement.
Okay. Okay.
We no idea.
Okay. We'll discuss those things today. What is mean by begin end and what are the blocking assignments, non-blocking assignments, and what is the difference between fork join, and those we'll discuss today. Okay, before that we'll see how many ways we can write the clock. How can we generate the clock? Okay, in different